Hi, Belly.
Hi, Mom.
Belly, show me how you, um, show me three fingers.
Mm,
2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now do it the way Mommy does it. The way other people.
Um,
Show me three three fingers.
uh,
The the pinky and the thumb. The pinky and the thumb. Keep trying, baby. You can do it. Okay, show me how you do it.
one. I start with
Yes.
I start with 2 fingers and then I put in my pinky.
Okay, that's 3 now.
There.
Now do it like this. Do this. No. Your pinky goes underneath your thumb. Like this. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know how to do it.
Oh, baby, try. Try with the other hand. Okay. There you go. Stick the finger up. Stick all the fingers up. All the way up. There you go.